How to contact Revolut customer support. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you can directly tap onto your app. If not, here is the alternative. Open up any of your preferred web application. At the top, type in Revolut customer service. You will see how do I contact Revolut customer support, but if you scroll below, you will also see we are here to help 24/7. You have to tap on this specific button. As you do so, wait for this to load and scroll below. In here, you can visit the in-app chat, and if you tap onto it, it will directly direct you to a page where you can type in your message. Or they also have their number. For that, tap on Contact Us. And this is their phone line. You can simply call this number and have a call with them regarding your problem. So guys, this is all for today's video. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.